Hello everyone, my name is Sanisha Bis. I am studying in 10th standard from Sant Kabir Academy, Dehradun, and I am participating in Atal Marathon 2020 with my teammate Dinesh Chand. We both have put forward our ideas toward the reduction of carbon footprints by using renewable sources, and I express gratitude towards Sant Kabir Academy for giving me such opportunity to learn something creative and new. In the world of constant change and streaming technology, I find solace to live in a forest where a tree remains a tree. Our Earth is the home for millions of living beings, microorganisms, plants and animals, and India is one of the richest countries in terms of its vast array of biological diversity and large number of species in the world. In India, about 55% of the forest area are predominantly covered with deciduous forest, which is also a reason to prone to fire every year. It is also estimated that the forest areas which are prone to fire ranges from 33% in our states and goes up to 90% in other countries. We are dependent on forests for our survival, like the food we eat, the air we breathe, the wood we use, etc. Besides providing habitat to animal and livelihood to human, it also offers watershed protection, prevention from soil erosion and mitigate climate change. Yet despite our dependence on forests, we are allowing them to disappear. Forest is a resource which after burning of wood, it cannot be used as a material. Nowadays, one of the major reasons of forest destruction is becoming forest fire taking place every year. It is also affecting a large amount of flora and fauna and also causes air pollution. And if the forests are getting vanished out, then the huge amount of species and terrestrial habitat are vanishing. One of the major reasons is forest fire. So today we had come up with an idea so that even we can prevent such kind of incident taking place in nowadays. So we can develop an app basically which is related to forest prevention, in which the one living in the locality can drop a message about the incident taking place over there, and our app can detect or detect the location exactly where the fire has taken place. On the other hand, we can use a drone as to collect the basic information. We can modify the drone by adding small gadgets like GPS system, area calculator, HD camera and high range facilities. So the app will guide the people how to control that situation until and unless the requirement reaches there. The GPS system present in the drone will exactly track the location where the incident has taken place, and the air calculator will calculate exactly at what area the fire has taken place, and the automatic messaging will start messaging into our computer where exactly about the conditions and terms. The high range facility camera will click the pictures of that particular area over a overview to give the information to the fire person about the situation, so that according to it they can prepare or equipments. So basically this type of information is basically used in hilly areas where people have lack of knowledge and doesn't take the restriction against it. So at least this idea can work over that place. And I hope that this idea will work and make a little change in the society. Thank you.